with that, we've come to the end of the show. Now, if you would like to take pictures with our birds, please do stay, as we will be bringing out our photography flamingos in a very short while. Now, in the meantime, you are more than welcome to come down, take pictures of the birds we have on stage while we usher